Hey friends, a very warm welcome to Fun Learn with Deepti. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.1 and this is for class 9. Okay, let's start the first question and it is, which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. So here you have to give the reason also. You have to tell whether these expressions are polynomial in one variable or not, and also you have to give the reason. So you need to understand one thing. The power of x should be a whole number and also it should be a polynomial in one variable only. Okay, now let's see these questions. The very first question is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So here the power of x is 2 and 1. It is a whole number and also it is polynomial in one variable only. That means only one variable is there. So it is polynomial in one variable. Okay. Now the next question is y square plus under root 2. Here the variable is y and the power is a whole number, that is 2, and only one variable is there. So it is also a polynomial in one variable. Okay. Now the next one, 3 under root t plus t under root 2. So here we have to first see the variable part. This is under root t. That means it is not a whole number. So it can't be a polynomial in one variable. Now the next one, y plus 2 by y. The power of y is not a whole number. So it is also not a polynomial in one variable. Now the next one and the last one here, x to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 50. Now here you have to see there are 3 variables, but we want only one variable. So this one will not satisfy it. So it is not a polynomial in one variable. Okay. Now we will move to the next one. Question number 2. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. 2 plus x square plus x. Now here what will be the coefficient of x square? We have to see the variable part where the power is 2. They have asked about only x square. So we have to see only x square. Okay. So here the coefficient will be 1. Why 1? Because nothing is there before x square. That means we can write 1 multiplied by x square and this is 1, your coefficient. Now the next one, 2 minus x square plus x cube. We don't have to see this x cube. We have to see this x square. So minus x square. That means the coefficient is minus 1. Why? Because minus x square can be written as minus 1 multiplied by x square. That means coefficient is minus 1. Now moving to the next question, pi by 2 x square plus x. So here in this case we have to again see this x square one. Okay, so the coefficient of this is pi by 2. Why? Because pi by 2 multiplied by x square, that means this is your coefficient. Okay. Now the last one, under root 2x plus 1. Here as you can see there is no x square. So the coefficient will be 0. Okay. Question number 3. Give one example each of binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. So first we will do the binomial of degree 35. So binomial means there should be two terms. Now we can form any two terms. but the degree should be 35. So we can write it as x to the power 35 plus 3. You can write anything, but the power of x should be 35 and there should be two terms. Okay, it can be in minus also, -3, -7, like that. Okay, now the next one is monomial of degree 100. That means monomial of degree 100. Monomial means there should be only one term. Mono means one, bi means two. So there will be one term. You can write it as x to the power 100, or you can write 2y to the power 100, or you can write -3z to the power 100. The only thing is there should be only one term and the variable, the power of the variable should be 100. Okay, you can choose any of the coefficient. Now question number 4, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. That means you have to find the degree of these polynomial. Now what is degree of the polynomial? It is the highest power of the variable. Okay, now in the first question, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x, the variable part is this. So which is the highest power of this variable x? It is 3. So the degree of the polynomial will be 3. Okay, this is the degree of the polynomial. That means the highest power of the variable. Question number 2, 4 minus y square. Here the degree will be 2. Why? Because the power of the variable is 2. There is no other variable over here. Okay, now the next one, 5t minus under root 7. So this t has got what power? 1. So the degree will be 1. Now the last one is 3. So there is no variable. We can write it as, write this one as 3x to the power 0. Why? Because the value of this x to the power 0 is 1. We can write 3 as 3 into 1. And for this one we can write 3 into x to the power 0. So here the power of x is 0. That means the degree of it will be 0. Easy? Question number 5 is classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So before solving this, I would like to tell you what is linear polynomial, what is quadratic polynomial and what is cubic polynomial. The form of linear polynomial is ax plus b, and the form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, and the form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here in linear polynomial, the power of the variable will be 1, and in quadratic polynomial the highest power will be 2, and in cubic polynomial the highest power of the variable will be 3. So if you know this, then this question will be very easy for you and you can easily tell whether it is a quadratic polynomial or linear polynomial or cubic polynomial. Okay, let's try to do it. The very first one is x square plus x. Here the highest power is 2. So it is quadratic polynomial. And in question number 2, x minus x to the power 3. The highest power is 3. That means it is cubic. In the next one, y plus y square plus 4. The highest power of the variable is 2. That means it is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Now tell me what will be this 1 plus x. This is a linear polynomial. Why linear polynomial? Because the power of this variable is 1. Okay. Now the next one is 3t. Again a linear polynomial. Why? Because the variable has got only one power. Now the next one, r square. That means the variable has got 2 power. That means it is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And the last one, 7x cube. That means it is a cubic polynomial. Why cubic polynomial? Because the variable has 3 power. Okay, I hope this entire video is useful to you. If you have got any question regarding this exercise, you can write in the comment section below. If you really like the video, please like it, subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thanks for watching.